Hi, I'm Lucas from Panls, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Panls Rapid whiteboard. The Rapid is our totally concealed mounting system whiteboard. We also have a standoff mount and a portable whiteboard available. This is the 4x4 size. So just first step, obviously, you got to open the box. Here's the whiteboard, nicely padded for safe shipping. Pull it out, it's nice and light. Tape to the back here is everything you're gonna need. You have your mounting template and instructions, and then all your mounting hardware right here. So first things first, remove all the padding and plastic, and we'll go from there. So now that everything is fully unpacked, you got your mounting template right here and you got your hardware. You just have to remove those. Make sure you do it carefully though, because you don't want to rip your template. So here I have my template and my hardware. Now the next step is going to be to actually put the template on the wall, drill your holes. So now you can move the board out of the way. Here's the mounting template. And actually printed on this template is all the instructions, all the tools you're going to need. It pretty much spells out the whole process for you. So once you have your template, probably gonna need 2 people for this part. You wanna hang it on the wall at the height you want, make sure it's level, tape it up with some painter's tape that won't damage your wall, and then it will show you exactly where to drill your holes. So what you just saw there was a couple of my friends mounting this template on the wall, and it's pretty simple. The first step is really just to figure out the height you want your board to be. Once you figure that out, then you gotta figure out your center. The template has a clearly marked center line, so what we like to do, a little trick, is instead of damaging your wall, just put a piece of painter's tape up and mark your center on the painter's tape. So once we did that, we were able to align the template, and then you just have to make sure the template is level. So on the template here, we recommend that you use a laser level. You don't have to use a laser level. It might make your life a little bit easier, but you can just use a standard bubble level as well. So that's what we did, and really all you have to do, one of you hold the template, one of you hold the level, get it level, tape it down, and that's it. So I've got my drill, and basically I just need to now drill directly in the center of each of these cross marks. So the holes are drilled, and once that's done, you can remove your template from the wall. So our pilot holes were drilled through the template. We removed the template from the wall, and then in that process, we determined that our mounts in the center here actually all went right into a stud. So we didn't need to use any sheetrock anchors or anything. We just put the screws straight in. These ones on the right and also the ones on the left have no studs behind them. So we actually have to use the included metal sheetrock anchors. So we already did both of these rows here, and I'm gonna do this row right now. All right, so all the mounts are now securely in the wall, and the final step is really just to get a friend, get a level, and put your whiteboard up onto the wall. So it really is that easy. Once your mounts are up, that's it. You, with a friend, take the board, get a level, make sure it's level, and we have marked for you on the front here these little circles. Basically, once you have your board where you want it, you literally just hit the board in each of these spots, and the mounting Velcro will securely connect, and that's it. It's up on the wall, it's solid, job done. All that's left to do is remove these. And you should probably give your board a good cleaning too before you use it.